Santoshi Kripa Jyotish. Best astrologer in India. Consult to most trusted astrologer. If you are trying to fix your issues with your partner, so give a chance to Love Guruji. Husband-wife problem. Rajeshbhai Joshi ji is a well-known astrologer and husband-wife problem solution expert who can provide you with effective solutions to overcome the challenges in your marriage. Family problem solution. If you are facing any kind of family problem, it is essential to seek the help of a professional who can guide you through the process of finding a solution. Black magic specialist. If you are facing difficulties in your life and want to find a way out, you may be interested in black magic services. Relationship problem. Rajeshbhai Joshi ji is an experienced astrologer who has helped countless individuals and couples overcome their relationship issues. Financial problem solution. With the help of an experienced astrologer like Rajeshbhai Joshi ji, it is possible to find a solution to these problems through astrological remedies. Thank you. Get in touch with our astrologer to uncover the secrets the stars hold for you. Book your session now to receive personalized insights and guidance to help you navigate life's challenges. Call on +919 8259 1916. Santoshi Kripa Jyotish.